Whoa, Gigi. Mommy bought you some Play-Dohs. What color are they, Gigi? What color is that one? Blue. Open it? Okay, we're gonna open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open up the blue one first. Calvin said, what color is that? Orange? That looks like pink. Pink. Good job. What color is that one?
Green.
Green. High five, kid. Oh, yeah. Let me open it up. I'm sorry. Here. Daddy gonna open it up. What you finna make with some Play-Doh, kid? Calvin's Play-Doh.
Get it out of there.
We gonna build some stuff, Calvin? Whoa. You wanna bring some cars over here and cover some cars in Play-Doh or something?
Bulldozer, Play-Doh.
Let's Play-Doh the Bulldozer.
No, you need.
What in the world, Calvin? You got your bulldozer and you're running over stuff here. Dad's gonna, oh look, Dad got the green one. You wanna make some bugs and run over some bugs or something? Ugh. Get the green one out, Calvin. Take that one out. Get it out of there. Look what you're doing, Calvin. Watch this. We're gonna flatten this out like a pancake. Ugh. Let's see, flatten it out like a pancake. Ugh. 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 You wanna run over this one now? Look. Run over that one, run over the blue one. Whoa, he's running over, he's gonna run over the blue one. He's not stopping. Whoa. Calvin, you making tracks on the Play-Doh. Pick it up, son, look at it. Whoa! You made some tracks on the Play-Doh. Let's do it to the pink one. Come on, let's do it to the pink one. Let's make some tracks on the pink one, Calvin. We still gotta make some bugs. Okay, here you go. You take it. Here you go, kid. Here, let's flatten it out. Let's flatten it. Oh, Calvin. You're running over the Play-Doh again. You're crushing it. Crush, crush, crush. Crush, crush, crush. Oh, pick it up. Let's see, Calvin. Whoa! Pink. You're right. Pink. Green one. Here's the green one. Green. Crush. Oh, you gonna crush that whole thing? Whoa. Hey, this bulldozer, you're finna crush it with the truck. Whoa, Calvin. That looks cool. Let's see it. Whoa! Whoa! A blue one? You got a blue piece and the green piece. Here, let's put the blue piece back with the blue pieces. Yeah. What is that one?
Pink.
Pink! Dude, you're so good with colors, man. Whoa, he's gonna crush both of those. Oh no, he's gonna bulldoze him out the way. Oh no, he's crushing them. Whoa, look at that, you guys. Calvin's crushing it. You guys, Calvin also knows every part of the bulldozer as well. He's a smart kid.
Hey, where's the tracks?
Show him, Mama. Well, not show him, but ask him.
Where's the tracks, kitty?
Green color.
Yeah. Where's the engine?
Engine? Yeah, he don't want to do that. He's too focused on crushing the Play-Doh. Crush. Calvin, you're going crazy with the crushing them, man. You're doing a good job, dude. Whoa, crush this one. Crush that one. Yeah. Great job knowing your colors, man. Calvin said green, blue, and pink. Pink.
Yeah, two of them.
Well, you got the blue one in your hand. You gonna split it apart? Whoa. 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 Whoa, man, you rolled that up into a pancake. It's a pancake, Calvin. Look at that. Whoa. It's a pancake. It's a pink pancake. Look at that. Splat. Okay, here you go.
The bite?
You ain't gonna take a bite out of that. No! It's good pancake. Can Daddy take a bite? Daddy take a bite. Tasty pancake. Whoa, Daddy didn't really take a bite, Calvin. Don't really bite it. Oh, that's nasty. Okay. Rolly, 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 rolly. Look how Daddy doing it. Look. Yeah, look, a big one. Look, rolly, rolly, rolly. Look at the worm. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. That's a big old worm, dude. Oh, you just folded it. What, you gonna put it on your bulldozer? Sticky? Oh, man. Whoa. Green. All right, you guys. We had a blast playing with Play-Doh with you guys. Until the next video, peace.